Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add in this really cool clear frame on CapCut PC. So go to library and add in a wide stock video. If it's too short, just freeze frame it and then you can extend that. Go to mask and select the rectangle one, and you are just going to hit the reverse button. You're going to then make the frame look like this a little bit, and you're just going to round at the edge. You can add it like this. Whoops. And then select the frame here, go to basic, then go to blend mode and select the overlay button. Just going to scale it up just a little bit like that, and I'm just going to adjust the mask here. And then you can add in a text down here, like something aesthetic maybe. Waiting for you. I can't write anything poetic right now, but you're just going to select this bit right here, and I'm just going to also change the font to the Arial italic one. I'm just going to adjust it is like a year without rain or something, I don't know, and just add it like that. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. I'm just going to try to add this blur to the and see if I change anything. But yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.